is one of the all-time lows in the history of the Earth. And in fact, in most periods where carbon dioxide was a higher percentage of the global atmosphere, you actually had ice ages on Earth. So the idea that carbon dioxide is responsible for this slight increase of global surface temperatures is itself at least questionable. But here's the big question that nobody asks, and we got to get to it. What is our level of confidence that a slight increase in global surface temperatures is on net a bad thing for humanity? It turns out that 8 times as many people die of cold temperatures rather than warm ones every year.
May I say that?
And yet we're obsessing. I'm going to finish this point, then I'll give it right back to you. The best way to prevent all temperature-related deaths is more plentiful, abundant access to fossil fuels. And so the Earth today is actually more covered by green surface area than it was a century ago because carbon dioxide is plant food, and they tend to grow in slightly warmer conditions. So I think the evidence actually, if you had to pick, is stronger to suggest that on balance, a slight increase in global surface temperatures, which is exactly what we're experiencing, is actually on net a positive for humanity, rather than the thing that's killed more human beings throughout human history, which are global ice ages, which is exactly what they worried about in the 1970s. So on the back of that evidence to say somehow we got to stop burning fossil fuels when actually more people are dying of bad climate change policies than are dying of climate change itself, I think is asinine, and I think it is anti-human, and I think it is going to result in the degradation of the West as we ship those same fossil fuels to places like China in the name of stopping global warming, as the same people who